When it comes to sending money globally, most people look for a fast, secure, and low-cost method. The Skrill app has become one of the most trusted digital wallets for instant debit card transfers. Unlike regular banking apps, Skrill integrates with debit cards in a way that allows seamless transfers, both locally and internationally. How debit card transfer using Skrill works. The process begins when you link your debit card to your Skrill account. Once linked, you can select the Send Money option, enter the recipient's details, and choose your debit card as the funding source. Skrill processes the payment instantly, often allowing recipients to access funds within minutes. Direct-to-debit global route. Unlike traditional apps, Skrill enables direct routing to recipient's debit card, eliminating the need for multiple intermediaries. Alright, so here's something pretty cool. With Skrill's dual currency wallet sync, you can actually link your debit card in one currency and still fund transfers in another. This is all possible thanks to Skrill's inbuilt currency sync system. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's talk about weekend transfers. Skrill has integrated AI-based payment paths that, speed up debit card transfers even on weekends. So, even when banks are shut, you can still get your transfers moving along smoothly. How convenient is that? And finally, let's dive into the micro-fee splitting mechanism. Instead of having just one fixed charge, Skrill divides transaction costs across network partners. This effectively reduces the overall fees for debit card transfers. It's a smart way to save a bit more, isn't it? So here's something cool. Geo-tracker transparency. You can actually view the live transfer route of your debit card payment right in the app, which is honestly not something most payment platforms offer. The real advantage of Skrill is its global coverage, with transfers available to over 200 countries. It's especially useful for freelancers, online businesses, and, individuals supporting families abroad. Security is really robust here, with end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication protecting every single transaction. For more detailed information, you can always check out Skrill's official website at www.skrill.com.